David, this is confirmation of what we've talked about for the last 3 or 4 weeks. All of the airlines today presenting at a Cowen Airline conference, and that's their opportunity to update their guidance. And as all of them, almost all of them, are trimming their guidance for the third quarter, earlier today, pre-market, we saw the airline stocks under pressure. They've actually kind of moved higher, and I think that's largely because most investors are looking at this saying, yeah, tell us something we don't already know. If you take a look at the passenger levels, they clearly ticked lower in the second half of August as we saw COVID-19 growing around the country. That's when we saw a fall off in the number of people flying, and bookings have softened over the last 4 or 5 weeks. If you listen to the airline commentary from this morning, let's start first off with United. It expects a pre-tax loss for the third quarter. They don't give an exact amount. The street was expecting a profit of 5 cents a share, so not a huge change there. You've got JetBlue trimming the upper end of its third quarter EBITDA projection. They're bringing it down by $50 million. Still expecting profitable EBITDA for third quarter, but it's not going to be as high potentially as they originally expected. And when you look at American, its Q3 revenue is now expected to be down 24 to 28% versus 2019 Q3. The previous guidance from American, down just 20%. So there you see the weakness in the revenue coming through. And finally, Delta saying that it expects its Q3 revenue to be down 30 to 35%. That's not a change in guidance. They expect it to be on the lower end of their expectations that they've had out there for some time. We're going to be listening to these reports at the Cowen conference all day long. Guys, we'll let you know if the airlines give us any greater clarity about what they're seeing, aside from the fact that they're seeing softness in bookings over the last 4 to 5 weeks, and it's expected to continue here at least through the month of September and then into October.